Okay, so it's important to understand firstly that each lender is a little bit different. They have a different process and a different policy and different rules about how this is going to work and how it might look for you as a client. It's really important that you reach out to us. We can investigate your individual lender's process and policy, and we can really do some calculations and break it down for you, help you understand what that looks like for you before you approach them. We can give you the right questions to ask and find out what you need to have in writing from them as well. Most lenders have a hardship policy, almost all have a hardship policy, which is designed for when people lose their job or income, death, things like that. But because of COVID-19 being something that we haven't seen before, and because it's had such a profound impact on almost all of the economy, we've seen lenders go out and actually design specific policies to cover off on the hardship caused by COVID-19. What that means is, in a lot of cases, you don't even need to prove that you've suffered a loss of income from COVID-19. They simply don't have the resources to go out and investigate every single person. So most of the time you can call your lender and say, I have suffered a loss of income due to COVID-19, and that is suffice to be able to defer your mortgage repayments. In terms of how that works and what it looks like at the end of those 6 months, very different from each lender. So we are seeing some lenders who will actually extend your loan term by a further 6 months so that your minimum repayment isn't affected once you come off the 6 months. However, we are seeing some that will just capitalise the missed payments onto your loan, and then your loan repayment becomes slightly higher for the remaining term of your loan. Again, we can step you through an amortization schedule and show you exactly what that looks like. We can show you how much extra interest you'll end up paying. If when you get, income back to full scale, you want to pay a little bit extra to get rid of that extra interest impact, we can calculate all of that for you too.